EcoPole is an engineered product from Norway.
Africa needs energy, and energy needs distribution. Presently, over 1 million wooden poles are being utilized in Kenya alone each year, and electricity demand in sub-Saharan Africa is expected to more than triple by 2040, posing a huge threat of deforestation. EcoPole is an environmentally friendly pole, using bamboo as a main component, and which distributes energy in a clean and green way from start to finish, preventing deforestation.
We had this Norwegian invention that we decided to explore, develop, and also bring to Africa.
We have a transfer of technology. The Norwegian know-how transferred to Africa.
With EcoPole, there is no leakage of dangerous substances into groundwater or topsoil, as EcoPole contains no creosote or PCA. EcoPole is manufactured in Africa, creating jobs, reducing logistics and CO2 footprint.
We also decided to bring in the best of engineering from the Norwegian engineering company Inventas to assist us in designing and quality control of every bit of the way when we are designing not only the pole, but we are also designing and producing the production line, the factory.
Being a part of this journey has been very inspiring, and the focus in EcoPole on making an environmentally sound product being the core.
One of the main ingredients of our composite pole is the bamboo.
Bamboo is a wonder plant. Once you cut bamboo, it grows back within 12 months. So you can have bamboo today, you cut it, and next year you'll have the same bamboo. That means it's renewable.
Today you have a lot of bamboo growing all over Africa, and in very little scale it's utilized for industry or other purposes.
With EcoPole, it's never about an individual, it's about the community. I can't cut on my own. When EcoPole come harvesting, I have to engage the community. Drying, we have to dry with them. So we're going to create some economy. Imagine if there were 10 such economies in this community. It would be a far much better place than it is already.
We manufacture polyethylene casings for EcoPole. We've really been the development partner in producing the finished product as you see it now. We had a strong ethos about protecting the environment and looking at sustainable products for Kenya. EcoPole has been tested for a variety of insects that we have in Africa. As a result of those tests, we've not seen any sort of degradation from insects either. So when you're looking at an installed pole, it's robust and should last 50 years plus.
When you look at EcoPole, you look at the life cycle cost, comparing the full cost, including installation and the lifetime of the pole, comparing it to the alternatives, which could be a wooden pole or a concrete pole. It may appear to be more expensive as you see it initially. When you look at transport, because the pole is lighter, the transport cost becomes cheaper. And because it's lighter again, it becomes easier to install. So when you look at that as a project cost, actually you might find that EcoPole is actually less expensive than the others that are in the market.
Strong and flexible, durable, weather and rodent resistant, EcoPole offers an inspiring alternative which lives up to its name and delivers on its promise by using bamboo, a non-invasive species which prevents deforestation and captures carbon. Empowering the environment in which it operates, there is the added economic benefit of EcoPole being a lightweight product with no need for cranes or lifting equipment for transportation or installation. Manufactured with environmentally safe recyclable materials, EcoPole can withstand rough handling due to its polyethylene outer material. EcoPole passes the new KEB standard, a drop test of 3 meters without any visible damage. Special tools are required to climb and fit EcoPoles. It uses the same bolts, fittings and climbing equipment as wooden poles.
We need to find an alternative to the wooden poles, and EcoPole is a very good alternative.